Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI images using ChatGPT, step by step. So, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, start a new chat. In the message box, describe the image you want to create. Be as clear and detailed as possible. For example, mention the subject, background, colors, style, and mood of the image. After typing your prompt, simply send the message. ChatGPT will generate an AI image based on your description. If you don't like the result, you can edit your prompt and ask ChatGPT to regenerate the image. You can also request changes like better lighting, a different art style, or more details. Once you're happy with the image, you can download or save it to your device and use it for personal or creative projects. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.